Good morning. It's bright and early on registration day. I'm going to sign back into my account at registration.php.org. Registration opens at 7 a.m., so I'm going to go in a few minutes early just to make sure I'm ready to go.
Since I already added my camps to my wish list, I'm going to go to the menu and hit wish list under this My Account section. Now all I have to do is click Add to Cart. I'll select my camper and continue. I'll read this waiver completely before clicking Agree and then Continue. If you have multiple camps in your wish list, you will just have to go back to this menu at the top and go back to wish list to do this process each time. Since we're almost ready to check out, now is a good time to talk about payment options. For most of our camps, here you will have the option to pay for camp in full or in 3 parts. The first payment, or the full payment if you choose to pay in full, is due the day of registration. If eligible, the early bird, sibling, and any other discounts are applied in full towards the first payment. Okay, we're almost there, you guys. This shopping cart page is the last chance to double check that I have everything I want in my cart correctly. It's looking good, so I'm going to go to Proceed to Checkout, where I can put in my billing information for today's payment that is due. But you know what? I'm in such a good mood from this being such an easy process that I'm actually going to add a $25 donation to the Parks Foundation to my cart. Okay, now I'm going to go to Proceed to Checkout. Okay guys, only thing left to do is click continue and we're good to go. Let's see. Awesome, and just like that, we are registered for camp. See, I told you guys, it's really that simple. The key is to do your camp browsing on our website, pdhp.org/camp. When you want to add a specific camp or program to your wish list, or you're ready to add it to your cart and check out, that's when you should move over to our registration portal and complete the process.
Well, that's it for me. Good luck with registration, and remember, you got this. We're so excited to see you this summer for camp. Bye.